Chocolate mousse. The first step is whip 1 cup heavy cream until stiff peaks form. The second step is melt in a bain-marie or microwave oven 300 grams of milk chocolate couverture. Avoid heating the chocolate too much as it will spoil. To add the chocolate, it should be slightly warm. The third step is prepare a syrup with 1/4 cup of water, 50 grams sugar, 1 pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla and a teaspoon of glucose until almost firm ball or reaches 113 degrees Celsius. The glucose prevents the sugar from crystallizing. The fourth step is to beat 4 egg yolks until they look like mayonnaise. Once the syrup reaches the required ball stage, it is added to the yolk mixture on medium speed. And after adding it, continue beating on high speed. When the mixture cools, stop beating. At this point, the beaten batter is almost white. It has tripled its volume and looks shiny. When the 3 processes are finished, the meringue with egg yolks, the melted chocolate and the whipped cream, proceed to mix them by hand. It is important that they are at a similar temperature because when mixing, if any of them is too cold or too hot, the beaten mixture will collapse. Start by adding half of the melted chocolate to the meringue with egg yolks and mix quickly with a spatula. Add the other half of the chocolate. Notice how it hardens as the chocolate is added. Continue adding the whipped cream in 3 or 4 parts without stirring too much. Finally, add a teaspoon of vanilla flavor or coffee liqueur to improve the taste. Transfer the mixture to a glass container preferably and cover with plastic wrap. The process is finished by refrigerating the mixture from one day to the next. It needs to be refrigerated to gain consistency. It acquires the necessary firmness to prepare desserts and as a filling for cakes and pies.